Cheeky Monsters, it's me, Kaya, and today we're going to be learning our Cheeky Monster dance. We're going to take it step by step, but before we do, we need some help from some of our cheeky friends. Cheeky Monsters, where are you? Oh, there you are! Okay, I think we're ready. Come on, Cheeky Monsters!
Cheeky Monsters, na 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 na, we're all Cheeky Monsters.
Okay, Cheeky Monsters, before we start dancing, we need to warm up our bodies. So the first thing we're going to do is warm up our legs, so give a shake. And the other side. Wiggle your knees. Wiggle your arms. Whoa! And then wiggle your faces. Whoa! Okay, I think we're warm. So the first thing we need to do is stand up straight like this, really tall. Scrunch your hands up like this, really small. And then put your elbows out to the side. And we are going to march. Glitter, show us how it's done. Here we go. 4 to the front. 4 to the side. To the back. Another 4. And then 4 to the other side. Great! Did you get that? Brilliant. Glitter, I think it's time to move on. Okay, for the next part, we need to stretch our fingers as wide as we can. Really good. And then put them to the side of our body like this. Now we're going to rock from side to side. Let's practice. We're going to go rock, 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 rock. Really good, Cheeky Monsters. Keep going. Brilliant. Looking so good. A few more times. Great. Well done, Cheeky Monsters. Now I wonder what comes next. Okay, so for the next part of our dance, we're going to jump as high as we can. Show us how it's done, Cheeky Monsters. Wow, look how high they're jumping. But which Cheeky Monster do you think is jumping the highest? I think it's Rocky. Now this is my favourite part, so everyone take out your air guitars like this, and we're gonna rock out. Here we go. Oh, got a bit carried away there. And then the last bit is a big Cheeky Monster wave, like this. Great work, Cheeky Monsters. Okay, Cheeky Monsters, now the next part of our dance goes like this. We are going to slide to the side. Rocky, why don't you show us how it's done? Very good. Okay, Cheeky Monsters, so let's try it too. Here we go. Ooh, really good. Okay, so next we are going to hop to the side. So everyone, put your hands behind your back like this and balance on one foot. Ooh, be careful. Oh, I'm not very good at balancing. I think Drago should show us. Drago, show us how it's done. Very good. Okay, let's try it too. Here we go. We're gonna go hop, hop, hop. Ooh, phew. Now for the last part, we are going to clap our hands. So everyone do a big stamp, and then a big clap. Looking great, Cheeky Monsters. Now I wonder what happens next. Cheeky Monsters, you are doing so well. I think we should do a big air high five after 3. You ready? Put your hands out like this. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Ow! You're really strong. Hey, that's the next part of our dance. We are going to high five the sky. So everyone put your hands out like this. Okay, Spike, show us how it's done. We go high five, high five. Looking good, Cheeky Monsters. Okay, Cheeky Monsters, this part is really cheeky. We are going to wiggle our bottoms like this. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Come on, everyone, let's see your wiggly bottoms. Hey, looking good. Now we are going to wiggle as low down to the ground as we can. Are you ready? Here we go, we're gonna go. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Oh no, I'm stuck. Violet, could you show us the next part? Ooh. Roll around on the floor and then arms out to the side. Great job, Violet. Okay, Cheeky Monsters, now we're gonna fly through the air like this. Woo! Looking great. Not bad, eh, Glitter? Okay, cheeky monsters, now it's time to learn our final dance move. Here we go. So everyone put your hands behind your back like this, and we're going to scoop one side, then the other. Here we go. Scoop and scoop. Whoa, that made me feel a little dizzy. Hey, I think we've learnt the whole dance. So why don't we try it with music? Come on, cheeky monsters, here we go.
Come on, everyone. Let's learn the cheeky monster dance. Let's all dance like cheeky monsters. Jump around 'cause you know you want to. Let's have a great time being a rock star. We're all cheeky monsters. Slide to the side, then hop to the right. Clap your hands once and give a high five. Now wiggle down low, 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 and do the monster roll. Woo! Let your wings flow. And there we go. Everybody loves to play 'cause we always do it the monster way. Let's all dance like cheeky monsters. Jump around 'cause you know you want to. Let's have a great time being a rock star. We're all cheeky monsters. Come on, follow us. We're all cheeky monsters. Slide to the side, then hop to the right. Clap your hands once and give a high five. Now wiggle down low, 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 and do the monster roll. Woo! Let your wings flow. And there we go. Everybody loves to play 'cause we always do it the monster way. Let's all dance like cheeky monsters. Jump around 'cause you know you want to. Let's have a great time being a rock star. We're all cheeky monsters. Let's all dance like cheeky monsters. Jump around 'cause you know you want to. Let's have a great time being a rock star. We're all cheeky monsters.
Enjoyed moving and grooving with our cheeky monsters? Then be sure to click subscribe for some more cheeky monster moves.